Excuse me, are you American? Excuse me, are you American? No. No. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? A little, but not very well. A little, but not very well. How long have you been here? How long have you been here? 2 months. 2 months. What do you do for work? What do you do for work? I'm a student. How about you? I'm a student. How about you? I'm a student too. I'm a student too. Hi, Michael. Hi, Michael. Hi, Amy. What's up? Hi, Amy. What's up? I'm looking for the airport. Can you tell me how to get there? I'm looking for the airport. Can you tell me how to get there? No, sorry. I don't know. No, sorry. I don't know. I think I can take the subway to the airport. Do you know where the subway is? I think I can take the subway to the airport. Do you know where the subway is? Sure, it's over there. Sure, it's over there. Where? I don't see it. Where? I don't see it. Across the street. Across the street. Oh, I see it now. Thanks. Oh, I see it now. Thanks. No problem. No problem. Do you know if there's a restroom around here? Do you know if there's a restroom around here? Yes, there's one here. It's in the store. Yes, there's one here. It's in the store. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
David, would you like something to eat? David, would you like something to eat? No, I'm full. No, I'm full. Do you want something to drink? Do you want something to drink? Yes, I'd like some coffee. Yes, I'd like some coffee. Sorry, I don't have any coffee. Sorry, I don't have any coffee. That's okay. I'll have a glass of water. That's okay. I'll have a glass of water. A small glass, or a big one? A small glass, or a big one? Small, please. Small, please. Here you go. Here you go. Thanks. Thanks. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. How are you? How are you? I'm good. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Good. Do you speak English? Good. Do you speak English? A little. Are you American? A little. Are you American? Yes. Yes. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from California. I'm from California. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Excuse me, what's your name? Excuse me, what's your name? My name is Jessica. What's yours? My name is Jessica. What's yours? John. John. You speak English very well. You speak English very well. Thank you. Thank you. Do you know what time it is? Do you know what time it is? Sure. It's 5:10 p.m. Sure. It's 5:10 p.m. What did you say? What did you say? I said it's 5:10 p.m. I said it's 5:10 p.m. Thanks. Thanks. Hi, Sarah, how are you? Hi, Sarah, how are you? Fine, how are you doing? Fine, how are you doing? Okay. Okay. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? I'm hungry. I'd like to eat something. I'm hungry. I'd like to eat something. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? I'd like to go to an Italian restaurant. I'd like to go to an Italian restaurant. What kind of Italian food do you like? What kind of Italian food do you like? I like spaghetti. Do you like spaghetti? I like spaghetti. Do you like spaghetti? No, I don't, but I like pizza. No, I don't, but I like pizza. Mary, would you like to get something to eat with me? Mary, would you like to get something to eat with me? Okay. When? Okay. When? At 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock. 10 in the morning? 10 in the morning? No, at night. No, at night. Sorry, that's too late. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m. Sorry, that's too late. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m. Okay, how about 1:30 p.m.? Okay, how about 1:30 p.m.? No, that's too early. I'll still be at work then. No, that's too early. I'll still be at work then. How about 5 p.m.? How about 5 p.m.? That's fine. That's fine. Okay, see you then. Okay, see you then. All right.
Bye.
All right.
Bye.
Hi, Mark. Hi, Mark. Hi. Hi. What are you planning to do today? What are you planning to do today? I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure yet. Would you like to have lunch with me? Would you like to have lunch with me? Yes. When? Yes. When? Is 11:30 a.m. okay? Is 11:30 a.m. okay? Oh, I'm busy then. Can we meet a little later? Oh, I'm busy then. Can we meet a little later? Okay, how about 12:30 p.m.? Okay, how about 12:30 p.m.? Okay. Where? Okay. Where? How about Bill's Seafood Restaurant? How about Bill's Seafood Restaurant? Oh, where is that? Oh, where is that? It's on 7th Street. It's on 7th Street. Okay, I'll meet you there. Okay, I'll meet you there.